Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro Mk17 EVO first stage. So this is very much the workhorse of the Scubapro first stage range. It's a very tough air balanced first stage. You've got two high pressure ports coming out of either side. You've got two low pressure ports coming out of either side. You will always have just a standard blank coming out of one of them. It will never come with all of the blanking plugs, because you never want to blank off every single port, because if you pressurize that, you will never get it off the cylinder. But this one is environmentally sealed. It has a massive heat sink around the top as well. So the environmental seal is preventing water and any contaminants and stuff from getting inside the first stage. It's also improving the cold water performance, which is what this heat sink is all about as well. So it works incredibly well in cold waters. It just absorbs the heat from the surrounding water, and sort of increases the warmth of the first stage, so it's less likely to freeze up. Because the low pressure ports are fairly close to the high pressure ports, if you've got chunky hose protectors, then trying to fit a transmitter can be tricky. So you get, as standard with it, a little spacer. So that's a high pressure spacer that will fit in the high pressure port, just brings that transmitter body a little bit further out, so it can sort of be attached, as well as a set of gauges on the other side. Or of course you can fit a 6-inch hose to your transmitter. That way it's a bit more flexible, but that's completely up to you. So it's a smart first stage. You can use this for single cylinder diving. You can either have it sort of upright or inverted if you prefer. You can use it on twins if you get a pair of them. That way all your hoses are routed downwards. Or of course it's great as a stage cylinder first stage to route all of the hoses straight down the cylinder. It's nice and compact. It's cold water rated, works in both warm and cold waters. A fantastic little first stage. This is the Scubapro Mk17 EVO first stage. Thanks for watching, safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.